What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Matt. First YouTube video out here, and today we are hanging out with some of the car guys and taking them downtown to meet up for a photo shoot. So we'll get some good driving clips and have some fun today. Thanks for being here. Yeah, we got the M4 here. Valvetronic exhaust, F82 champagne quartz metallic. The best one. We got Dalton over here. He's about to tell us about his Infinity.
Boom! That's about it. 2013 G37. You know, got headers, exhaust, spits big old flames out the back. What more can you ask for? We have a 2008 BMW 328 driven by a student driver with yellow DRLs.
Anything you wanna tell them about it?
Bro, it has exhaust and intake. That's it.
Exhaust and intake.
Yep.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Habibi 1LE here. You want to tell us what you got here?
So we got a Chevy Caprice. You know, it's lowered kind of. See, like one finger here.
Oh yeah, pretty lowered.
And we love Dortas here, so
Hitman.
Dortas for that. Good.
Dortas?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, and you got a Corsa exhaust. If you come over here, you'll see it's got Corsa Performance, right? And so basically, I'm not sponsored by them, but they have.
Alright, y'all, we're about to head over to the spot. We'll get some clips on the way there and have a good time. Thanks, guys. Shout out my dude Ebo. He just first Christmas present of the year. Gnarly. Imagine driving a V8 and needing gas. In case you guys didn't know, this is my new Supra. The Charger got stolen, so we had to pick this guy up. I won't even say had to, I would say I got to. I'm pretty freaking lucky. Work every day for it and having fun with it, of course, and sitting right around 400 to the wheel. B58 BMW. We got some HREs on there. Some 4Gs. We got a maxed in front lip on there. Straight pipe muffler delete, catless. What else do you need?
I love it.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. What you pushing to the wheel? Like 400, like 450.
I'm hungry.
No, I'm laying this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are those carbon?
Nah, bro, it's a wrap. Hey, bro. How much do you think one of these costs?
The current dilemma is that Evo wants to take this gas pump that somebody drove off
Bro,
with it.
look it up right now.
Take it for the man cave. Oh yeah, look it up, see how much they are. All right, boys, let's get out of here.
Hey.
Let's go drive. Let's go shoot some pics.
See y'all in a minute.
All right, I knew that was gonna happen. Underpass. Oh my God. What a pretty evening. Oh my gosh, perfect weather for some pictures in downtown Louisville. What else do you need? Cars, family, friends, cameras, cars, cameras, friends, family, cars. What else do you need, man? That's why I'm really sharing it with you guys, because I have so much fun with it. I know you all will too. And just like that, you get over 3 lanes while you're recording. Not safe. I'm sorry. I love this. I mean, we're just having fun, having good times, good people. Y'all gotta hear this. Now I know why I bought this car. Alrighty guys, we made it to the spot. Look at that. We are out here in downtown Louisville. Got the cars out here. Got the guys out here. We'll meet them in a minute, but tell me about this spot. Here's the Supra, my new baby. 2021 MK5 GR Supra. It's the 3.0 premium package. On HREs, H&R springs, MST intake. Other than that, she's pretty stock, downpipe, no tune yet. Shaking my head at myself. Carbon duckbill, black lights, tow hooks, you know, the whole shebang. She's looking pretty good. Maxed in front splitter. Been super happy with the car in general. Excuse that plane flying over. Ugh. Big shout out to Fico. Appreciate him getting out here and taking pics for us. He's a great man, great man. And always appreciate him doing what he can for us. He's over here whipping up the content. You'll see that coming soon. While he's over there getting me some pictures. I guess we'll talk about what to expect from the channel coming soon. There's the basketball stadium right there. That's kind of cool. Louisville Cardinals, Yum Center. I think they have some sort of something tonight. They may be even having a game. I don't even know. Anyway, that's the ADHD kicking in. We'll be posting a whole bunch of car-related content, videos, trips that I'm taking, just installing car parts on the Supra. All of the above, basically. I'm gonna share it all with you guys and take you along with the journey. And I'm excited to start this YouTube thing and finally get going. I've been meaning to do it for a whole long time now, and finally just getting out there and doing it. That's the hard part, is starting. Even if it's a terrible video, gotta do it anyway. Just gotta get better, learn from mistakes, and that's what I'm here to do. So yeah, looking forward to keeping you guys around and consistently uploading and having some fun with all of these guys. And there's so many more that aren't even here, and you'll meet them sooner or later, and I'm looking real forward to taking you guys along with me. Hold on, can we hear what Ebo just said again real quick? Is there a bathroom?
Is there a porta potty?
I'm not exactly sure. There's a porta potty out here on the top of a building. Behind the scenes. This is Diego's Chevy Malibu. It's a Chevy SS 2016, and it's rowdy. He's been through a lot with it. It was out of commission for about 9 months. You want to tell us a little bit about what happened here?
I mean, nothing really like crazy. It was just regular, you know, LS3 lifter failure that I didn't know of. So caught me off guard. So
Blew an engine.
I mean, I guess you could call it a blown engine. We could have fixed it, but I just decided it wasn't worth the trouble. So we pulled that motor, put this motor in. This one came out of a vet, so same LS3, not DOD. And I mean, cam, stage 3, GPI, headers. That's about it.
You gonna keep her?
I don't know. It's
Up for debate still.
Up for debate still.
That's all right.
Looking at a C6Z.
C6 Z06 or a ZR1, right? Got the Bremskis. A little drag pack action. 502 gap sticker on the back. How many more? Oh! Yeah. Pretty bad SS. Pretty bad ASS. I thought that was gonna be funny, but it wasn't. So on the way here, you heard the fireballs exploding. Well, it was this guy. Tell us a little bit about how that is happening and what you've done to her.
Basically, got long tube headers, full exhaust, intakes, some other stuff like that. And there's a lovely company here in Louisville that I will not name, so they do not get in trouble, that tunes cars and makes them spit big old fireballs.
That's right. That's right. It's pretty bad, man. Yeah. What year is she?
She's a 2013.
2013. We're gonna go take a quick look at her. Anything you want to tell us about her? In specific?
Man, it's just a spicy Altima. It's nothing special.
Spicy Altima. Heard it here first. Now you got carbon fenders on there. You got wheels. Do you know who makes those fenders?
They're Jalisco carbon fiber.
Jalisco Carbon. I think they look real good on there. It's like, it's subtle, but if you're looking at it, it looks real good. New.
My favorite thing about it is the color is Malbank black.
Malbank black.
Malbank black. It's kind of like a black with a red flake, so it looks purple whenever like the sun's hitting it, but it's black when it's not hitting it.
Kind of like a free color changing paint. No need to even wrap it.
Pretty much.
Got
Not in good shape though. I need to get it fixed up, but.
Looks like he just needs a new bill. That's it. If there's any sponsors watching today's video, we need
The whole trunk. Nah, the whole trunk. The whole carbon trunk.
I was gonna start off slow, but maybe we need a whole carbon trunk.
All or nothing.
All or nothing. Hey, Ebo, you want to tell them a little bit about your car?
Pop the hood.
Yeah, we can do so. He said, all right, man, let me pop the hood real quick.
I don't have hood struts.
No hood struts.
I took them out. Took them out and I had to swap my hood.
All right, talk to me.
Like I told you earlier, we got intake and exhaust. That's it.
Hard.
Don't look too hard.
We're looking hard. Finally got that hood on there. Who made that window tint?
That tent is from Luminous, and I had Wes install it. Shout out to Wes.
Yeah, he gets us right on our window tint. Ski box.
Got the ski box. We got a whole kit going on. Front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, hood, trunk. Version 2 coming.
Uh-oh. He said version 2 coming.
Version 2.
What's
Got
V2?
new suspension on the way. Goddamn. What else? Unfortunately, it's automatic. But
DCT swap?
who knows?
Maybe not today.
Maybe not today.
This is one of the cars that we have that turns heads because it's so unique. Very grateful for that man. He's a good guy. They're all great guys. That's why I love them. They're all my brothers.
Was like, hey, I'll make you the best root beer float. She brought that shit out in the stupid mid.
Is that a Mercedes key? Is that a Mercedes key? Tell them about the whip.
W204 C63 AMG. V12. I don't do good on camera.
V12.
Yeah, V12.
Why is this car so loud? I don't understand. All right, guys, it's starting to get pretty dark out here. We're wrapping it up, but check this out. A little cool view before we get out of here. We'll hit the road home, have some fun on the way home. Maybe take a trip to Mexico on the way home, I'm not sure. We'll see. I'll pick you guys back up once we're out of here and on to the next adventure. Just kidding. I'm gonna show you as well. We're not done here yet. There's a few cars that I like in there. I'm just kidding, all of them.
When you want to, I got the mobile editing suite up. That's my next post.
Hey guys, we're headed to get some food. I'll pick you guys up when we get there, and we'll go from there. But all right, guys, I think we're gonna call it a night. Thanks for hanging out with us. We're saying good night, everybody.
Good night. Good night, guys.
Good night, guys. Thanks for being here. We'll see you next time.
It's the end of the vlog.
It's the end of the vlog.
Bye vlog.
Bye vlog. We appreciate you being here, and we're gonna go and grub some food. So we will catch you on the next one. See you later, guys. Peace. Ready for this one? Whoa. Squad! What's up, guys? It's Matt. Welcome back. What's up, guys? It's Matt. Welcome back to...
Vlog. Why are you backing up?